We've already had a look at using text and having it run along a path, but we can also have text filling in a shape or a path. So we could use the pen tool and create a shape, in which case I'm going to create one now. It's a rickety heart. Once again, we can adjust this as required. I'm going to look for something a little bit unusual to try and get this to work. Once I'm happy with that, this will now be in the paths option here. I can rename this heart, and it is important to make sure that you do rename it if you are going to be using multiple paths, as they will quite often override each other. Now that's selected, I'm going to go to my text tool here, and rather than clicking on the path, I'm going to go inside and you'll see a little circle around where my text would be. This now fills in with the lorem ipsum, and if I want, I can keep typing away and adding more or copying and paste from a document as required. Press the move key so we can actually see that applied, and if need be I can go back to my text and I can do things like changing the scale of this, and it's going to fit within the confines of that shape. Likewise, if I wish, I can change the type of font and whatever else I need to do for that. Let's grab that as a layer and let's put that below the rest of that there. So another interesting way of applying text to our image.